Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a high RAM memory usage on a Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path, just to copy and paste it and press enter. On right side, you just need to double click on the start and set value data to 4 and click on OK. And now again copy the second registry path and paste it and press enter. On right side, clear page file at shutdown, double click on it. Set this value data to 1 and click on OK. And just to close stuff here. For the changes take effect, restart your PC. And now go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Search SYS main, double click on it. Startup type set to disabled and stop the service status and select apply and OK for save changes. And just to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type advanced system settings. And now under performance select settings, select advanced tab. Under virtual memory select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list select the C drive and select custom size. Now check my video description for this installation and maximum size. Now you just need to know how much RAM installed on your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In my case, I have 8 GB RAM installed, just to close. And copy the value depends on our RAM. Install size, copy the value and paste it. Maximum size, I have 8 GB, so I am copying this value, paste it. And select the set option to set this value under paging file size. And select OK, and select OK. Select apply and OK, select OK. Select the restart now option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. Set preload pages. Just turn off this preload pages and just close stuff here. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.